Hello everyone and welcome back to Kendamas for Grandmas. Today we're going to start out with pull spike, and for this trick we need a very steady Tama, and we need to pull it directly up so that it'll land on the spike. This is the first of the spike tricks, and there are lots of spike tricks, but it all starts with pull spike. So let's try it now. Lots of bend in the knees, straight down, pulling straight up. The Tama's going to come up. Bring the can right underneath and spike it. It looks like this. The next move we'll learn is the Tama push away, and it's the first move we need in order to do the trick Ferris wheel. This is how Ferris wheel looks as a complete trick. Tama push away is the first part of the Ferris wheel trick, and it requires us to send the Tama from the base cup into a pendulum-like swing, and as the Tama swings to the left, we employ our left hand so that it doesn't get lazy and it does some work. It gives the Tama a push back into the pendulum, and eventually that pendulum will become a 360 and create the trick called Ferris wheel. So, first of all, practicing the Tama push away. This is how that move looks. That's it for today's video. I hope you're having a lot of fun with your kendama, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And stay tuned here at the end. I'll put a little blooper just for a laugh. Okay, see you later, kendama pals. Whoa.